it. I was convinced I was in the wrong like fucking area or maybe the wrong day because the volleyball tournament also happening today. All right, we're gonna meet the Chow Chow. Let's take this. Primitive hunter bed warmer at the end of the day. The Clumber Spaniel. Oh my goodness. It's like I'm in line. So soft. I met a Clumber Spaniel at AKC. I thought he asked what breed is Snoopy, but then he said Toy Story. I was about to say Beagle, because I know Snoopy. I know him personally. But they were talking about the freaking spring dog. Duh, he's a dachshund, duh. There's a little girl with Heelys. She's really cool. He's a beautiful dog.
He's a very sweet boy.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. And he's only a puppy. He's only 8 months old.
What are you eating?
Still teething.
I can tell. Oh, this is an older one.
This is Hendrik. He's 9 years old. He's
Hendrik.
a rough coat Brussels Griffon.
Face, he wants the treats.
This is how they look as puppies. That's them. Aww.
This is Aldwin. He's a 14-month-old horse coat Charlet.
14 months. Big yawn. Chihuahuas. Origin, Mexico. Charming, graceful, and sexy. That is exactly what I am.
What's her name? Well, her name is Ryan Reynolds.
With the sheepdog. Origin, Italy. Yes. New York City has to have like a cat version of this. I would be fucking ecstatic. I really would be. I think I've hit everything. Hitting everything like it's a bar. It's really freaking crowded, but that's okay. Okay, let's see the Bitchin, because this was my childhood dog. Bitchin?
I can't believe I'm meeting a star.
She's a little bit of a bigger star there. She's been on TV. It's Elsa. Yeah, she was the #1 ranked female Bichon in the States.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, for like 2 years in a row.
Bichon. Let's take that. And that. I guess these are all up for grabs. Don't mind if I, oh, don't mind if I do. Boxers are really obnoxious in my opinion, but they are beautiful. I'm gonna put you in my vlog. All right, we're gonna meet Kevin's favorite dog in the whole wide world. Don't be rude. He's beautiful, right? How are you?
Because the wire, actually the hair,
Oh, there's a Dalmatian right there.
that little pink stuff, really nice in the fall. It
What?
doesn't fall out like human hair. You have to strip it out. Like her butt, for instance.
This is my English toy.
An English toy?
Yeah.
She's mad as hell.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Guys, what they do to him? Hold on, I gotta take a picture of this. We are gonna meet the Snoopy of dogs, the Beagle, if this crowd can go away. Origin, England. Perfect dog. Whoa. Whoa, which one is it?
Yes. Good girl.
Good job. Oh.
Did I say get up?
Oh.
Good girl.
Oh.
Stand.
Oh. Oh, that's a puppy. Oh, you are good. It's a Labubu? It's a dog. No.
That's his girlfriend.
This color of dog, like, even though it looks gray, they consider it as like blue for whatever reason. And when it's like a bright brown, they consider it as red. It's Bingo.
Red and blue. There is chocolate.
You're taking these dogs like you're all in for.
Hi.
My friend Mary is
So sweet.
That's
Mary. Yeah. Oh, is there taking like a family group photo? Look at that. Yes, they do shed.
I've never heard of this dog before.
It's like a mini beagle.
All right, guys. I was on a hunt for the greyhounds, and I couldn't see them, so I searched online what breeds are in here, and unfortunately, the greyhounds didn't make the cut. If I kill myself, then what? But there are so many beautiful breeds here anyway. I'm like maybe 80% done. Oh, look at that one. I was on the phone with Kevin. I was showing him the Bull Terrier. He hates those dogs, so obviously that was a joke. The Afghan Hound. Take a wild guess on where they originated from. If you said Afghanistan, you are correct.
Yes, you can. Thank you for asking. Her name is Mary.
Oh, second Mary that I met. Look at that build. So you would think that's not normal, but unfortunately it is relatively normal for bulldogs. But it can sound a little worse depending on how they're bred. I've seen a handful that literally look like they're always in pain when they are breathing. But that dog is a happy dog, so at that one. She wants food. Oh my gosh, she's like so little but so big at the same time.
This is Ashlyn. She's 3 years old.
Ashlyn.
And Uncle Jim just had treats. That's all she cares about.
She said come back.
Oh, she wants her treats back. We are at the German Spitz. The German Spitz, smart, devoted, and active.
Not mine. She's fine. You know, it's
I'm having a lot of fun, I can't lie. Having the time of my life. And I couldn't record anything getting up to this point because literally physically could not record because of the cold. But just know that I bought these tickets to come here at 2 in the morning. So happy. This is how I want to spend my Sunday. Literally so happy. Thank you so much. Yay! Yes. No, literally. Oh yeah. You're literally perfect.
So you know where home at?
You know where home at. Poppy. Love the sweater.
Oh, where'd you get it? Is it Balenciaga?
I like it all.
So
Need her. Poppy. I swear to guys, I am genuinely so freaking happy that there's a Greyhound.
that's cool.
My money was officially worth it. I can't lie. Japanese Terrier. That is the tiniest dog ever. These dogs are huge. And the floor is carpet. I think it's probably to show you guys how much they freaking shed. Look at that. Many cards and stickers. Who is this little hamster? This little hamster. OMG.
Who is this?
Guys, I might be speed running this because there's so many that I want to see, but this is a whippet. They're like the cousins of greyhounds. It's so cute.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
How long have you been? She's sleeping. Oh, you're fresh. You're really fresh.
And yesterday it was so hot.
So unfortunately my camera will die, but I think I've kind of gone through everything. This is a really cool convention. I've always wanted to go to like the dog show, like the one on Thanksgiving. This is the AKC Meet the Breeds, and I heard that yesterday was like horrible. So I'm glad that I came on a Sunday. But I have so many freaking photos of dogs. But yeah, I'm gonna call it wraps here, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.